How to say stay at home in Urdu? If you want to say someone stay at home in Urdu, so please say like this, okay? There are three ways to say stay at home in Urdu, but in a different circumstances, okay? So I will tell you where to use this one and where to use that one. So stay at home, घर पर ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो. Your parents will say like this. Your parents say like this, घर पर ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो, because they are going somewhere, so they make you in charge and they will say you stay at home, don't go anywhere. So when parents say stay at home, so they will say like this, घर पर ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो. GHER, घर, पर, PER, पर, ठहरो, TAHRO, ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो. Let's come to original Urdu. घर, गाफ, दो चश्मी है, रे, घर, पर, पेरे, पर, ठहरो, टे, हे, रे, वाव, ठहरो, ठहरो, घर पर ठहरो. Okay? Another way, when your friend call you and say, oh, wait for me, stay at home, I will come there. So you will say like this, your friend will say like this, घर पर रहना, because he is coming to see you. So he will say घर पर रहना. Okay? Stay at home, घर पर रहना, घर पर रहना. GHER, घर, PER, पर, रहना, REHNA, रहना, घर पर रहना. This is easy one, and parents can also say like this, but mostly friends say like this, okay? Because they want to find you, they want to meet you, so they will come at home and they will order you, please stay at home, I will come there. So घर पर रहना, गाफ, दो चश्मी है, रे, घर, पर, पेरे, पर, रहना, रे, हे, नून अलिफ ना, रहना, घर पर रहना. So it's really simple, you can use anywhere, घर पर रहना. Okay? And the last one, stay at home, घर में रहना. Your friend also say like this, and your parents definitely say like this. Okay? When your parents say to you, it means they are saying stay at home and you will don't go anywhere, okay? So you have to stay at home. घर में रहना, there is another way to say घर में रहना. GHER, घर, MEIN, में, रहना, REHNA, रहना, घर में रहना, घर में रहना. Let's come to original Urdu. गाफ, दो चश्मी है, रे, घर, में, मीम, ये, नून गुन्ना, में, घर में रहना, रे, हे, नून अलिफ ना, रहना, घर में रहना. It's really simple. If you want to learn more phrases, more sentences regarding learning Urdu, so please subscribe my channel. And if you really want to, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and comments how am I teaching. and Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.